Welcome to EKO-TECH. Let us introduce the ZCUT-9GR Electronic Tape Dispenser, a professional solution for automatic cutting of adhesive tapes. The ZCUT-9GR is manufactured by YAESU Keikogyo Limited, a Japanese brand known for precision and reliability. This dispenser enables quick, repeatable cutting of tape to your desired length. Using the control panel, you can set cut lengths from 5 to 999 millimeters and choose between manual or automatic mode. The LED display and membrane buttons ensure intuitive operation. The device supports tape widths from 6 to 60 millimeters. It is suitable for various types of tape: paper, film, cloth, double-sided, and reinforced tapes. Thanks to the feed sensor and automatic advancement, the dispenser operates continuously. A new tape segment is dispensed as soon as the previous one is removed. Anti-slip feet provide stability during operation. The entire unit is compact and designed for heavy-duty use in assembly lines and production environments. The ZCUT-9GR is ideal for electronics, automotive, packaging, and many other industries, wherever precision and efficiency are essential. Contact EKO-TECH, the official European distributor of YAESU, to order your ZCUT-9GR and receive expert technical support.